very beautiful. I'm going to dip my hands in now. Oven grill, nicely done. Hello everyone, welcome to Africannotefood. I hope everybody is well. Today we have Keneky for you guys. So our Keneky is our corn that we mix. We have a video for that. We have a yellow corn and white corn that we mix together, and we make a Keneky out of it. So you can see. Ooh, look at it, it's beautiful. So we have our pots, and then we have our corn. Here I have separated them into 3. Okay, so this corn is homemade. We made it ourselves. I'll link the videos so you can see how we made it. Okay, so we have our salt, we have water, we have corn hearts, and now we are going to add this one in here in the pot, just one, and the 2 will be for the mixture. Okay, for the Keneky. Adding water into it. All right, I have a liter of water. I'm using half for that, and I'm going to add also salt. I'm using 2 tablespoons of salt, because for your Keneky you need a lot of salt for your banku first, because the one that's here, you're not using, there's no salt in it, so you have to put more here. All right, okay, so I'm going to mix this and start doing the banku. Finish mixing the corn dough, the water. So now I am going to cook it. All right, so I'm adding water into it because I find it a bit hard. I'm adding about half a cup of water into it. So this is it. Our banku is here. Now we are going to mix them together. Okay, nicely. Right. Yeah. So it's hot. Usually I use my hands, but this one is hot, so I'll just mix it with the wooden spoon first, and then when it cools down, I'll just go in with my hands, a bit of water, and it's done. So now it's a bit cooler now, so I'm going to use my hands to mix them up properly, and I'm going to add a bit of water into it as well, because I want it soft. I don't want it too hard. It has to be in between, not too hard, not too soft. All right, so you have a nice Keneky. Okay, now it's done. So now we are going to mold it and start to wrapping it. So this much you need. Right. So this is how. Alright. And you find another one and you cover it like that. If not, you find another small one and you add into it like that. Okay, and you turn it. So that's it. This is our Keneky. Now it's going to the pot to be cooked. All right, my pot here, I have added the rest of the corn husk in there, so I'm going to add my Keneky in there as well. Okay, That's it. That's me. Okay, so we're going to add water as well and start cooking. So I'm adding water into it. Okay, that much. And now I'm going to use this to cover. All right, just going to put it on top like that. But feel free to use foil, yeah, to cover your keneky if you don't have enough corn husks. It's covered. I also use my kitchen towel, this especially for my kenkys. I'll cover this as well. Make sure that it's covered properly. I'm using 2 of that, so you cover it properly and it will cook quicker. That's the second one. So I'll trap all the heat and everything, the steam and everything in there. And now once it's there, done, I'm just going to cover, use my lid, yeah, and cover. That's it, done. And I'm going to leave this on for an hour and a half. It can go up to 2 hours. All right, okay, see you then. So let's see, our keneky is done. Look at this, beautiful. It's all cooked and it's quite hot, so I'm going to leave it a bit to cool down before I can take them out. Okay, so this is my keneky. Oh, look at this, my beautiful. Oh, this is hot, this is hot, this is hot, this is hot. Ooh la la. Keneky is done, and I have added trophy here, salted fish. I got tilapia, mackerel, snapper, and here I have pepper, tomatoes, onion, spring onion, scotch bonnet. So it's done. For keneky, I'm going to add shito as well, and it's done. Thank you for coming today. I hope to see you again, and have a blessed day. Bye.